Today is my last day in Cozumel, Mexico. I'm signing off next week. Kind of. I got one more cruise left. And this is our last time in Cozumel, Mexico. So I'm just gonna show you guys the port area, like what it's like and stuff. So it'll be fun. My boots, but my boyfriend says no, so outside the port now, and look at So this is Mexico. This is Cozumel, Mexico, I should say, not Mexico. Up close and personal, I see. So we're about to enter Hard Rock Cafe. I love it here. Food is really good. Hi. So I just ordered my food. I'm pretty quick. I come here a lot, so I already know what I want. The food here is really good. Hey! Thank you.
Thank you. Cheers.
My favorite drink. Oh, it's good. Thank you. Thank you so much.
Right now?
No, I saw it like. No, it's I. Okay. Sure. I was thinking about bringing home some Mexican snacks. Because why not, huh? Ah, there's wafers.
Want any snacks in there?
I think I want wafer. I might eat these tonight. Wafers? You never had a wafer? It's good. I think I'm kaput on Oreos. I've had too much of them now.